Susan.
Laying out by the pool.
Going to the beach.
Going on vacation.
Love to swim.
Finally, the warm weather.
No school.
Wear two-piece bikini.
Wearing the two-piece bikini.
Barbecues.
Show me barbecues. What do you always look forward to doing in the summer?